Hey guys, quick update on the uh, Traxxas Revo 3.3 electric conversion. I went over a video on it yesterday, going over the truck. As you can see, the transmission and everything else besides motor and stuff is off the truck. So ESC and mounts are up there, whatever. So the main reason the trans is apart, if you end up doing a e-Revo kind of setup on the Nitro truck, I would definitely look into getting metal gears. So all these gears, they look like they handled it okay. Um, this one's not terrible. You could tell it's got some witness marks on it. Definitely on those corners, but not a big deal on this. It's still perfectly fine. The shift fork's okay. This one, so originally, as you can tell, it's these screws are always, I was messing with it earlier, but so normally how you lock these clutches out on the inside is you bend that little spring out like I was talking about yesterday, and then you pinch the metal shut so it can't go back in. I mean, now it's got that bolt in there, so it's not going to go in anyway, but you drill through here, and if I could get to it, you put a nut on the back side. But what actually happened was this shaft snapped in the center where the pin goes in, right there. And then, so this whole thing came apart and it was slipping and whatever else inside. So I fixed that today, and I put these bolts in to kind of clamp the whole piece together. I loaded it up with JB Weld, and I think I might have done that last night actually after the video. But I was messing with it today, and the shift fork deal that these have, it has your first and second gear. Now these things for the fork, like in between this gear, it's got a lot of slop. So what I tried is I put some screws in here to kind of alleviate some of that slop. Hopefully it helps a little bit. But the main reason I'm making this video, as you can see, this one is completely stripped out. So I would definitely run metal gears in this thing. The Robinson Racing forward only gears, I believe it's called. That's a good setup. My local hobby shop does have, it says anyway online, I'm gonna run there tomorrow and check. They actually have this gear and the back gear in stock, and they have, what else was it? Oh, completely unrelated, but I need to get some new slipper clutch pad deals. Thing slips like all hell, so I'm gonna replace those. Just do it real quick. So if you are doing an e-Revo conversion, instead of just bolting this piece together, I would go all the way through to this piece, snug it all together because it's locked anyway. Like this piece to this piece is all locked. Now this piece technically is supposed to stay inside the case, but it's all JB welded together. So that's one unit. If that ever breaks, I had to buy everything in pieces, which isn't a huge deal, but I'll probably just end up buying a whole transmission assembly. I've seen it on Jenny's RC for $50, I want to say. Not a huge deal. I might be able to find one that already has all the metal gears in it. We'll see if I ever have to. I will have to trim these bolts down because it will hit the case. But yeah, just if you ever do the e-Revo conversion on the Nitro truck, definitely do metal gears, or don't run 6S, or not 6S, 4S like I am. It'll hurt, especially with the 40 tooth pinion or not pinion, spur gear, and I believe this is the 13 tooth pinion on 4S. It'll mess some things up, especially with these meaty tires. We went over these yesterday. Amazon specials, they hook. They're great tires. But yeah, real quick video. Just do metal gears. Spend the money if you're going to do it. You're already spending the money on the mount and everything else unless you have it. So, yeah, thank you. Bye.